Hello everyone and welcome to Day Kind of Learning Web3 with me. In previous video we made an amazing project called Buy Me a Coffee, which was based on Sepolia Ethereum. We could send transaction out. Do check it out if you haven't. Today we're going to touch on a really interesting topic called NFTs, how you can create, deploy and send your NFTs, okay, your own NFTs. So yeah, let's dive into it and let me give you a preview of it. Okay. So first let me try to mint some NFT to one of my wallet account. Okay, let's clear this and we'll force the URI to run the mint NFT script. Okay, now we'll run the script. Yes, I'll tell you what's happening in the background later. First, let me show you what I have made. Okay, just giving you the preview. So yeah, setting up the EVM, the transaction has been made, and let's check what just happened right now. So the NFT just came in my wallet, which I sent it from this contract. Okay, we'll try to import it. Right now, it's not coming directly in here because the contract is not verified, and I don't want to verify it right now. It's not that secure. Okay, wait, here's the address. Then the token ID would be 6. Yes, 6. Uh, Wait. Oh no. Never mind. Ah. And yeah, we got this NFT in our account. Okay, cool. See the mod picture. Okay. Yeah, we got this NFT. The token ID is 6, and it's a ERC-721 token. Yeah, that's pretty cool. We just got an NFT, our own NFT. Okay. So let's see how is it working in the background. Okay, this is the contract, a very basic contract. You just import the ERC-721 URI storage module, which lets you build that token. Okay, this is just a token ID which tells that what will be the token ID for the next NFT. Okay, and this is a constructor. Okay, it will say, okay, we have to construct, we have to pass the constructor for this particular contract in it, and the name of the token would be DC hip hop and the symbol would be DHH, and it will be a ownable constructor, and so that only the owner will be able to call this. And yeah, the owner will be message.sender. Then this is a mint NFT function. It has two parameters, address to, which is to whom do we have to mint this NFT. Okay, like who will receive this NFT. And the token URI. Token URI is basically IPFS. So token URI is basically a URL where our tokens metadata is stored. Okay, and we can get it from, yeah, I have deployed, I have like stored the photo and token metadata in here. So we just basically copy this CID and paste it against this, like the URL becomes something like IPFS and the CID URI. Okay, so it becomes our token URI. So whenever it will hit that URI, that particular photo of the NFT and that metadata will be loaded. So yeah, it is an external function. Only the owner can mint the NFTs. Okay, and yeah, it says the token ID is equal to next token ID. It is initially 0, and every time it will get incremented. Okay, It says safe mint. Safe mint is a function from this particular module or contract, you can say. Okay, it says that mint this NFT to this person, and this person will be the address to whom we are giving this NFT. Okay, and the token ID. Okay, token ID will be set. Okay, you have this token ID, and yeah, set token URI. This is also function from this particular contract. It sets the token ID for that particular NFT and the token URI where it will get the data and the photo from. Okay. So yeah, we wrote some script to deploy the contract. Okay. Yeah, this NFT, yeah. Nothing much. And I don't know why is this error coming up. VS Code sucks. And yeah, this is the script for minting a token. It basically gets first the private key of the person who has deployed this contract. Okay, and then the address to which this NFT will go to. Okay, and the memory. This is the token URI. Okay, this is the token URI where our photo for that NFT and the metadata for it is stored. Now, if I wanna explain you the metadata, let me try to explain it to you. Okay. Uh, so basically, mhm, there are two things in the token URI. One, first thing is the metadata for that particular NFT. So like metadata is nothing but a metadata includes some data regarding the NFT. Okay, something like name for that NFT. Okay, blah blah blah. Name for that NFT, and then the yeah image URI. So as we got the this CID for the metadata, we also get the CID for the image URI, which comes here. Comes here. Okay, URI blah blah blah, and then we can have the token. No, the description for that NFT. Okay, what is there in this NFT? Cool picture. Okay. So yeah, that's what metadata looks like. This metadata इसका एक CID बनता है. With CID is this. Okay. And yeah, this whole becomes a token URL which gets passed to this function. Okay. So yeah, we have the private key, the address to which we have sent to, and the contract address where it is deployed in the .env file. Obviously, I can't show you that. And when we run the script, we get the NFTs in the desired address. Here it is. Yeah, that's what we learned today. We made a contract to create, deploy, and make some NFTs of our own. This is obviously on the testnet, on the Sequoia testnet. Further, if we wanna deploy it on the mainnet, the process is same. Only the network changes from Sequoia to mainnet, and yeah, well said. I hope you like the video. In the next videos, today is day 9. From day 10 to day 16, we are gonna make a whole decentralized exchange application where we'll make our own liquidity pool from scratch, and where also you can also will be making a swap logic. Okay, where you can swap tokens, yeah, swap tokens, and a lot of more cool features. So yeah, stick together.